Guys, today's video, we're doing something with the turbo because the turbo can't go down the bottom. We've got to move it to the top, and then we move it to the top, and then we're like, do we really want to do that? And then Dad's like, why don't we rotate the turbo? And I'm like, no, let's not do that. And then Riley comes over and starts chopping shit. And I'm like, what are you doing chopping that? He's like, yeah, Murphy told me to. And I'm like, oh my God. Anyway, that's how it happens in the video. And guys, it's men's mental health month, all right? Just remember that, all right? Yeah, I buggered that first bit up. Check on your mates, all right? I'm just going to put it out there. Everybody knows someone who suffered. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, guys, it's day 6. We haven't really done call away. But anyway, what are we doing, Murphy Poo?
We're moving the aircon.
He's moving the aircon. He just did a nice, he vacked all the gases out legally, like the, environmental people say. Riley's over there doing some breaks. You want to go visit Riley quickly? Let's go visit Riley. What are you doing, Riley? I'm what?
God's creation.
Toyota, mate. God's car. Yeah, he's very excited to do it too. Look. All right, and then I filmed Dad quickly. He's still on the dyno, he reckons. He's been on there for a while. Old mate's going to give us... Shit, look at the room. We could have went up. Dad, we're going up. Is that what you're doing? So, Grampy wants to... Grampy wants to... What do you want to do, Dad? Granby wants to now chop the manifold, flip it upside down, and put the turbo upwards. Because we just realised we don't need wipers where we're going, and we don't need all that. It's pretty sad we just wrecked a really good nice car just to run one dyno run, eh? But anyway, that's Australia for you. Do you reckon it'll fit? Anyway, we'll get into that. He's got to take the AC lines out, take the wiper motor out, and then he's going to... I don't think it'll fit. Anyway, we'll work out it. Yeah, we'll work out what's going to happen.
How do we move the air conditioner pipes?
That was the brake lines, mate. That was pretty quick, eh? You look so manly. You look like Rambo, mate. Charlie was a bit worried then. He thought you were going to be like... That one's still hooked up, Russ. You even know what you're doing? Oh, don't hurt yourself. Just get the big cutter back in. Without hitting, the... Hey, what was that? Oh, you just want to do the wiggle. Oh, Murphy Poo's air conditioning delete. What was that? The AC delete, Dad. That's how he moves. Oh, we might not be able to do it. I think it might hit the clutch. What you doing there, mate? What, you taking the plug off? Just chop it, bro. Yeah, do you want me to get it off? You want big old fucking... Dad's got big sausage fingers, so he can't get into places. Oh, that. Oh, that old son. Probably sell that, Dad. That's probably worth a fortune, mate. Elaborate. Look at the room for activities there, Dad. So now I would make sure there's no lines there and just...
What do you reckon? Is it easy or cut pretty easy, I reckon?
Oh, it cuts it, mate. Still got a couple more in it, isn't it?
How far back are we going to here or?
I think right on there.
Along there.
But I've got to cut that.
Cut him out.
Trouble is I don't want to hit the bloody.
Watching his back, I'll notice that
masters,
Riley's
yeah.
getting the old itchy nose from the
got
vibration,
it.
eh? Ha! The old stitch up.
Oh, the drum locked up on us. Yeah.
See, got to straighten this blade on it. Actually, we might be able to cut at each end and just bend it up.
Yeah. Might be able to.
As far as you can, anyway.
It gets a bit thicker towards the back.
You've got to watch that. There's bloody clutch line underneath it.
How close is it? Pretty close. Let's go this way.
I reckon if you. Oh, that's good. That'll do.
Yeah, I was trying to pivot it a bit.
Cut through there.
Yeah.
Whoa, fuck! Dad, wouldn't you be better off, come on, you just do you guys. So. I love your safety glasses, guys.
A bit late now. I think he's finished.
I got one to the mouth earlier.
See, I'm not a very good photographer. You reckon we'll bend that up or not?
This bit?
Like that.
It's pretty close to the end, so.
Sorry. Was that you guys? For Emma? Are we going over here?
Yeah, cut along there, Dean, without cutting the.
Plasma cutter. Fuck yes.
So that one's got to go a bit further back.
Yeah, you know there is a line there though. Have you guys felt that?
Yeah. I moved across with that cut further back.
Yeah, that's all right
You
there.
want to just fold it, you know?
You fold it then. You show me how to fold
With
it.
shifters, does.
We just got to cut that one a bit further
Yeah.
because it goes a bit further back.
So Riley, I come over and Riley and Dad are just chopping the fuck out of this poor thing. Huh. Dad, you made it too short. Dad chopped the blade down to make it more, you know, actions. Beautiful. I think that's enough, Dad. What was that? Well, it's still very quiet over here. Oh. Fuck yes. Yeah, that shakes your nose, eh? We don't want to break the window now because we're going to try to see if we let her race it. Have we ended the 24-hour, Emma? Oh.
You need an ASA and
That one.
What's an ASA?
I don't know, the 2 licenses you need, I don't know.
Oh, why not? They run out.
They expire for different races.
Oh.
Can't enter until that's done.
I'm gonna laugh if this happens. Ready? You can see it about to fall off when you're doing it.
Here.
I like how he said, if you start here, oh, you really fucking sent him. Do you want me to have a go?
We got about,
Riley's doing a great job. Just on more. Where do you want to go? From here? The fucking turbo sits here, Dad.
yeah, you got to cut that. But I'd say if you cut like that, then go back that way. Unless you can bend that.
I reckon too big. I reckon plasma cut it. Who cares? Quick plasma, zoop, and it'll be done. You reckon, Rob? Dad's trying to light this freaking thing on fire, bro. Look at it. Bit of a zigzag going on. Jesus, mate, Jesus! Fuck, what yeah, Charlie? He can blow through, buddy, 10 inches of steel with that thing, but he can't do a little little... Feel like there might be a fire going on, we just can't see it. Okay, whatever. Unless you got something better.
You think you know, got your pizza, fat tops,
Oh, I've got pizza.
and chips,
Oh, it's double layered, Dad.
and olives, spaghetti?
Yeah. Hey, don't worry about it. It's fireproof. Hey, Charlie. Yeah, mate. Well, look at that's some room. We should have done that first day, mate. Yeah, he's trying to get tricky. Are we ready to try it, Dad? All right, so as you can see, Dad chopped the dump pipe. Freaking hell, he's bleeding like a bloody sieve. Just cut it in one go, mate. You wouldn't be bleeding. All right, so this is Dad's awesome work there. We obviously got to clean that a little bit more. That's a plate he built. You know, that bit's blocked, yeah? So he chopped that piece off he had there yesterday. And now we're going to try it because we're going to top mount it, yeah? Here, mate.
This is going to be in the way.
You go a bit further out. Go.
Put it up the right way, dude.
I'm getting it to there. Did you measure it?
No, but you can turn the turbo around on that
Yeah.
flange.
It's not going to fit.
You still need another.
Fucking inch. We got to go in there.
Are you?
Yeah, there's a lump here. We got to get rid of that whole lump into the. That's the firewall. There's no point doing it. It's going down. Yeah.
All that fucking work. No, it'll still go up. Oh, I just have to tilt it.
Dad, I don't think you understand. It's nowhere on.
I'll
Do you
show you.
understand? It's
No,
nowhere near on this.
I'll show you something.
I'll show you something. You've been perfect.
You can still go down if you want to go down.
No, because that can't boost the exhaust things on the fucking cold side now. I never thought of that.
What?
This thing's going to be hot over next to this.
What's wrong with that? It's a cool side. This is a hot side.
So what do you guys reckon? Up or down? Why isn't it an angle? Oh. No. Yeah. Did you weld it on an angle, Dad?
No,
Yeah, you must have.
never topped. Change the
Yeah,
top.
so you're going to burn the clutch master there, eh? Cook it to smithereens. So that's no joke. That's going to melt the shit out of it. Can't go that way, Dad. That's why they don't say put it. It's not a top mount. It's a bottom mount. It's sold as a bottom mount. Yeah, it's gonna cook that. It's gonna cook it, isn't it? What? It's not probably 100%. So guys, Patrick is here. Dad's gonna do the honours. He's probably fucking destroyed all the threads, so it's not gonna work. You done? Yeah, it's gonna fix. It's beautiful. All right, we're not doing it now. Tesla. Anyway, I gotta get back to work. We got real work to do. Dad's done for the day. He's going home. Oh, I thought you were gonna give Charlie a kiss then. It was a bit romantic. So we chopped all this out. Turned out it doesn't fit that way. It's gonna be too hassly. We're not gonna go up with a dump pipe now, are we, Dad? It's too hard. We're gonna keep it simple. And then we just had a conversation, guys. We just had a full-blown conversation about just not even running it in the Honda and putting it straight in the Tesla. What do you guys reckon? Just put it straight in the Tesla, get it running in the Tesla, or get it done on the Honda? But me and Riley wanted to drive the Honda, didn't we, Riley? Yeah, we wanted to do fully Hector runs down the Strand, you know? With Charlie on the back seat going, no. Fuck. So, yeah. Because we can't drive Tesla on the street, I don't think. Legally. Alright, so Dad's going to go downwards with it. He re-welded this because he chopped it. Look at those welds for 70, what are you, Dad? 75? He hadn't seen the video. So, and he's 75-year-old, 76-year-old. Look at that. What good welds. If you're going to knock them, alright, that side's not so good. Just look at this side. Oh. Very nice. But yeah, you know, everybody can they're the standard ones. Then that's my dad's ones. And he's 70 fucking 8. Nah, didn't even bite again. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one with fucking Patrick. Hey, Dad. Next video, they'll have Patrick. We're going to pull this battery apart. See you soon.